So, what exactly is a social business? A social business is a business with a conscience. It focuses on the impact it has on people or the environment and generates profits that it ploughs back into the community. Social businesses are sometimes owned by lots of people, often those who are directly involved, such as staff or customers. Everyone who owns a share in the business has an equal say in what it does, how it is run, and what the profit should be used for. Social businesses make goods or provide services just like any other business. Profit is still really important because the bigger the profit, the more sustainable the business is and the more good it can do. In most cases, the profit earned by a social business doesn't get paid to outside investors. It gets used to help the business deliver its social mission. In Wales today, social businesses include supermarkets, travel agencies, football clubs, housing suppliers, magazine publishers, food producers, designers and banks, and lots more. They're driven by a cause, not just by a desire to make money. Examples include tackling problems like poverty by providing low-cost food to families in need, employing people who find it hard to get jobs, like homeless people, ex-offenders, or people with disabilities, improving the environment by recycling old furniture or generating clean energy, providing important community services, such as a village shop, a community cafe, or a sports centre. These are just some examples. There are plenty more. There are lots of types of social businesses, including cooperatives, social enterprises, mutuals, employee-owned businesses, social firms, and development trusts. If this sounds like the kind of business you'd like to create, we can help you pick the right model for you. Have a look at the Social Business Wales website to find tailored support and business advice on how to set up a social business. And if you're already running a business along these lines, you'll find additional support and tips on everything from finance to marketing to help you grow.